Hi everyone, so I'm here today to do our maths lesson, and as you can see I've got a range of resources to use. So our learning objective for today is to subtract within 20. So let's get started. Okay, so here's my first number sentence. So I've got 7 ice creams because I'm at the beach, but a greedy seagull comes along and takes 2. So my number sentence is 7 subtract 2 equals, I wonder if you can remember any other words for subtract. Have a think. That's right, 7 minus 2 equals 7 subtract 2, 7 take away 2. There's lots of different ways that we can say it, but my favourite is subtract, but we can use different vocabulary. It's up to you. So my first number sentence is 7 subtract 2. Now I've got my Numicon here, and I'm going to show you how you can work this one out with Numicon first. So I need a 7. And what's my other Numicon piece that I need? 7 subtract, I need 2. So I've got 7 and a 2. Now if I was adding, I'd put my number 2 here, but I'm subtracting, I'm taking away. So I'm going to pop my Numicon piece on top. So 7 subtract 2. And then all I do is count how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can double check that by reaching for my 5 Numicon piece and checking yes. So 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Now we're very lucky at school to have lots of Numicon, but I know it's something that we don't really have at home, but that's okay, because I've got another method to show you, and all you need for this one is a pen, a whiteboard or a piece of paper and a pencil. So 7 subtract 2, I'm going to draw 7 little circles. You can draw whatever you want, but I'm sticking with circles because I'm not very good at drawing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've drawn my 7 circles. Now I'm subtracting 2. So all I'm simply going to do is 1, 2, cross 2 of my circles off and then count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 subtract 2 equals 5. So that's a really quick and easy way to do it if you don't have any Numicon. I've also got something over here. That's right, a number line. So we use these at school, but you can make your own number line at home just on a piece of paper. Now my number sentence is 7 subtract 2. So I start at 7. So I'm going to circle my 7 so I know. When we're adding, we jump forwards on our number line, don't we? Now I wonder who can remember which way we jump when we're subtracting. That's right, we jump backwards. So 7 subtract 2. I start here and I jump back 2. 1, 2. So 7 subtract 2 equals 5. So that's how we can do it using a number line. So we've used a number line, we've used our crossing out method where we draw things and cross them out, and we've used our Numicon. What else we can also use is just our heads. Now I know we might run out of fingers, so this method's only good if it's little numbers, but it can work. So when we add, we count on in our heads, don't we? But we're subtracting now, so we're going to count backwards. So I'm going to put 7 in my head, 7, and I'm going to subtract 2, so I'm going to count back 2, just like this. 7, 6, 5. And I know my answer is 5, just from using my head, counting backwards. So we've had lots of different methods there and different examples, but you can choose whatever you want. It's up to you how you work them out. I'm now going to give you some questions to do, so you can go away at home and do them. And then I can't wait, you can email us on the Year 1 email address with your subtraction work that you've been doing. And yeah, I can't wait to see it. So have fun. So these are the Chile 1 number sentences. So if you want to have a go at Chile 1, these are your number sentences to complete. So if you fancy doing Chile 2, these are your number sentences to solve. And this is Chile 3 for anyone who wants to challenge themselves. So, Miss Clark had 10 ice creams at the beach. A seagull took some. She was left with 4. How many did the seagull take?